Assalamu alaikum. This is Mrs. Khan from MM Model School. Today I am going to teach the students of class 8A and 8B English literature, and the name of the lesson is The Purple Children. It is written during those times when Cyprus was under the British rule, and the natives of Cyprus, they wanted independence. For that independence, even the adolescent students, the adolescent children, they used to fight for it. Let us go through the story. Let us begin. The outrage, the incident took place at 11 o'clock. When did it took place? At 11 o'clock night. On a moonless night. Moonless means there was no moon. The policeman on guard at the side of the door of the town hall was cut off from the rear entrance into the courtyard by a high wing of the building. So it was cut off from the town hall by a high wall of the building, and heard nothing until the alarm sounded. And they could hear nothing until there was an alarm. It was the sentry. Sentry means a soldier who was on the duty at the rear gate, and he was quite young. He was only 18 years old, and he was quite new to the town, and he was not confident with his duty. He was not comfortable, and he was singled out as the weakest spot in the defense. So he was in the weakest spot at the defense. He was quite young and half dozing on his way back and forth. He was not feeling sleepy. Across the gate, he heard a most innocent sound in the world, a girl's voice calling softly, "Puss, puss, puss, here pussy." What did he hear? He heard that a girl's voice who was calling a pussy. Pussy means a cat. As he started into wakefulness, when he heard the voice, he became very conscious. A little figure darted towards the gate. Who darted towards the gate? Who ran towards the gate? A little figure. That is a cat. And not the cat, I mean to say the figure. He couldn't understand whether it is a girl or a boy, but the voice said that it was a girl. From voice we can identify. And she halted. She stopped with the hands locked up at the bars of the gate. He saw how slight she was. She was very slight, and how young, not more than 15. By the looks, he felt that she was only 15 years old. Her frock was black. She was wearing a black frock, and thin, small wrist she had, and that means that she was very thin and issued a pale stench from the sleeves, and she was not very fair. She turned on him a face which was only a silvery oval and dark shining of the eyes. "You can't go there," the sentry gruffly said. He said a bit gruffly, a bit annoyingly, that you can't go there. "You ought to be in the house at this time of the night. Don't you know there's a curfew? By this time, I think you'll know what is a curfew." The sentry told her that there was a curfew and she should be at home at that time of the night. "I was in my house. My cat got out when I went to bring the wood, and I couldn't catch her. She's only young. It's no use telling her there's a curfew." Obviously, what she said, that she was in the house and she went to bring some wood, and the cat got out somehow. She couldn't catch her. The cat was too young, and it's no use telling the cat that the pussy that there's a curfew, because they won't understand. And the sentry then said awkwardly that okay, if if you have kept her as a pet, then she will come back the next morning. "They always do. You go home." The sentry said that you go home. They always run away. Again they come back. Like a good girl. And don't you risk running about here in the dark. You don't take any risk running about in the dark. Somebody may see you, some person, and they will think that you are up to something mischievous. But she might not come back. She ran through into the courtyard. So what did the girl say? That she will not come back. She might not come back, because the pussy had ran through the courtyard. Courtyard means a place open space beside the a building. Won't you please help me to catch her? The boy felt the small cold hand laid entreatingly on his arm. So the boy, then by saying these words, she caught the arm of the boy, of the sentry, and it was quite cold. She was only a kid, and she came up only up to the sentry's shoulder, and she began to sniff as if she was going to cry. He couldn't see any harm in it. The sentry also thought that there's no harm in looking for uh, only a small pussy, and he had got orders already to treat the natives politely, and there was order to treat the natives politely as long as they were not making any trouble or not giving any trouble. कोई मुसीबत जब तक नहीं देता है. I shall lose her, said the girl, in a quivering voice. In a shivering voice, she said that I shall lose her. Lose her means she will lose the pussy. I've had her from the little kitten. She has kept her as a pet from the time the pussy was a kitten, and now I shall never get her back. Oh, please let me go. The sentry said that I can't let you in there. I shall get into trouble. If he allows the girl to get into the courtyard, he will get into trouble. Well, who's going to find out? The girl said, convinced him that who is going to see at this part of the night? And there you will be close with me every minute, and you will be with me in every minute. And whatever move I will be making, wherever I will go inside the courtyard, you will accompanying me. And you have got a gun also. Then why are you afraid? Oh, do please help me. If she won't come to me, I promise I'll go home. And if the cat will not come to the girl, then she promised that she will go home. He hadn't meant to do it, but somehow he had set his hand on the bar and thrust the gate open before her. So what happened? Somehow he didn't mean, but still he thought that maybe he might help her. So he opened the gate for her. Well, be quiet about it. Come on, quickly you come inside and we'll look for the cat. She slipped past him like a shadow. She got in so fast inside that it seems that it was just a shadow. The only sound was the little hasty tread of his own feet keeping hard on her heels. So the only sound that could be heard was that the walking of the sentry. He turned his back on the gate and the silent dark lane outside. So he turned his back and was going inside the courtyard, accompanying the girl, and pressed at her shoulder as she flitted into the most obscure corner of the yard. And she went running to the corner of the courtyard looking for the cat, the pussy. And the steps plunged down to the cellar, and somehow she walked down to the cellar. Cellar means where the prisoners are kept. Behind them, the tall bulk of the town hall shut off the awakening stars. The stars could not be seen because there was the high town wall, and the ropes of the flagstaff creaked. What is flagstaff? Flagstaff means the staff on which the flag is hung. It creaked faintly. It was making some sound, and the sentry thought it was the sound of the wind. That the wind was moving, so the moving wind was making the flagstaff move, and it make the sound of a creak. Creak means ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो टूट रहा है. There she is, you see, I told you, whispered the girl. The girl said that yes, we can see the pussy, and triumphantly, quite confidently, she said so, and darted towards the pussy and was lost among the deeper shadows under the wall. And there really was a cat. The sentry could relieve Miller. He was satisfied, and unhurried insolence of cats everywhere इट टुक 10 मिनट्स टू, वापस आने में उसको 10 मिनट लग गया अगेंस्ट द क्लोज डोर.